Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and we're going to take a look at a pretty rare Zippo. It didn't come in this box, but this is the Red Buffalo. Very hard to find. I would pay $75 for this. I think I paid a lot less. Maybe $25. This is a genuine Zippo made in USA, Bradford, PA. Pretty good stampings on this one. And it was made in I of '05, which is September of '05. Got a pretty good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Buffalo. I think I'll use a different target today. I'll use this. Try once more. That bounced a little too high. Alright, that one passed the drop test. This is a genuine Zippo, and it's the Red Buffalo. And if any Zippo deserved cowbell, it's a Buffalo. Knuckle bomb.